Assalamu alaikum, beautiful Pakistan. You're once again here. Today I'm gonna show you a cheap act from Raham Khan again. May Allah curse onto her because of this and whatever she's doing and ruining our respectable Islamic community. So she will have to pay for this once day, inshallah. Allah will. He's the only one to, ask her. So she's making fun of the project which is launched by Prime Minister Imran Khan. She says here, we've been filming past 3 years about billion tree tsunami. So what doesn't means like past 3 years? Imran Khan became as a Prime Minister, which is only hardly like couple of months, 4 or 5 months now. But she's talking about past 3 years, so that totally make different sense. Because I've been on the Illuminati website, so they say we always watching for you. So there will be some people who will be keep watching us. Okay, so this is a Illuminati what they do, and if we raise our voice against Illuminati, so they kill us. They will put in trouble. So they say we always keep watching you. This lady, she worked for Illuminati because they pay her a lot. She spent her half of life in European country, and she got a fame in journalism from there, and they sent her back to use against our community because Prophet, peace be upon him, say already a huge fitna. So this is now fitna, This already is a huge fitna. We should kick her out because will be a big trouble for us. And this lady, she's still doing this all acts. I don't know why. She will have to pay for it, don't worry, inshallah.